Okay, so we drove down further. This is my target area. My Pathfinder is leading the way, doing recon.
Good evening. Come on in. Yep. I don't know how big it is. Is it right or to the left?
Ooh.
Right here. That's the smallest rock canyon I've ever seen.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't think I've ever seen one.
Yeah, look at the narrow, look at this. That's the foot. That's our walking path right there. See that? That's how narrow that is. Where'd you go?
When I'm old and the only thing I can do when I'm older and the only thing I can do is watch TV, I want to watch my own videos.
The main character.
Huh?
The main character. Yeah. I think it's just bird poop though. It might be like those rock doves. See, that's some poop right there. Goes, oh, more rocks up there.
Yep.
Oh, wow. That one's like, oh, there we go. Hey, buddy, we're just talking about you.
Is it rock dove?
It might be a pigeon, actually. Hi. You have a really cool home.
Ew, he pooped on my head.
Did he really? No way. Come back, I gotta see that.
He looked at the back of my head and he was something.
All right, let's check it out. Sure. Let's see. That would be too funny. I don't see anything. Oh, there might be. Hold on, hold on.
That's poop. I felt it.